underground. I know that we'll be safe and sound.